SWOT analysis is a cornerstone of strategic planning, yet it's plagued by subjectivity and inconsistency. Professionals often struggle with where to place factors in the matrix, leading to strategic missteps. Today, I'll reveal how to overcome these challenges with quantitative optimization. You'll discover a method to transform your SWOT from a vague exercise into a precise tool for decision-making. Why does this problem persist in the strategy industry? Because traditional SWOT creation is manual and based on intuition. At quarantadue.ai, every MCP workflow starts from the real tool interface, not from a generic prompt. The goal is simple. Keep the expert in control while the system structures the evidence. Inputs, reasoning, and outputs stay connected in one reviewable flow. Now the results become easier to compare, easier to review, and easier to explain. Without standardized criteria, factors are placed arbitrarily. This results in matrices that are unbalanced, maybe too focused on strengths while ignoring lurking threats. Generic tools like Excel or PowerPoint don't solve the core issue, they just make it easier to create pretty but flawed diagrams. The real-world consequence is wasted resources and missed opportunities. Companies invest in areas that seem promising but are actually misaligned with their true strategic position. The technical method behind optimizing a SWOT matrix involves several key concepts. First, we need to quantify each factor. This means assigning numerical values based on impact, likelihood, and urgency. Second, we use cross-impact analysis to understand how factors influence each other. For example, a strength might mitigate a threat, or a weakness could exacerbate an opportunity. Third, we apply optimization algorithms to determine the optimal placement of factors in the four quadrants. This is not just about categorization, it's about ensuring that the matrix structure reflects the strategic weight of each element. A common misconception is that SWOT factors are independent. In reality, they are interconnected, and our method captures these dynamics. Now, let's talk about the software solution. OptimizeSWOTMatrix. This tool takes your raw strategic data from financial reports, market surveys, competitor analysis, and processes it to establish baselines. It then runs calculations using advanced algorithms to optimize the SWOT matrix. The software considers multiple variables such as time horizon and resource constraints to place factors accurately. But it goes beyond just placement. OptimizeSWOTMatrix provides an audit trail recording every decision and calculation. This is crucial for compliance and transparency. Additionally, you can perform scenario modeling. What if a new competitor enters the market? What if regulations change? The software allows you to simulate these scenarios and see how they affect your SWOT matrix, helping you prepare for uncertainty. Let me walk you through a hypothetical example. Consider a retail chain expanding into e-commerce. Their strengths include brand recognition and physical stores, but weaknesses are in digital infrastructure and logistics. Opportunities involve online market growth, while threats include cybersecurity risks and supply chain disruptions. Using OptimizeSWOTMatrix, we input these factors with data on customer sentiment, market trends, and operational metrics. The software analyzes the relationships and suggests optimized placements. For instance, it might prioritize cybersecurity as a critical threat that needs immediate action even if it was initially underrated. By rebalancing the matrix, the chain can allocate resources to strengthen digital defenses, leading to a more resilient strategy. The outcome is a clear, actionable plan with quantified risks and opportunities. When it comes to compliance and reporting, OptimizeSWOTMatrix generates detailed reports that are easy for stakeholders to understand. These reports include visual dashboards, executive summaries, and deep dive analyses. They align with regulatory frameworks, ensuring that your strategic decisions are documented and defensible. Whether you're reporting to the board or complying with industry standards, the software provides the necessary evidence and clarity. In conclusion, OptimizeSWOTMatrix offers a systematic, quantitative approach to SWOT analysis. It eliminates subjectivity, enhances strategic clarity, and supports informed decision-making. To explore how this software can transform your strategy process,